Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really neat portable little circular handsaw here. This is really neat for a couple of reasons. One, they've actually got 20 volt batteries. These are 20 volt large batteries that actually have a gauge on the back there that shows you how much they are, and they provide you with 2 of these. So you actually get 2 of these 20 volt batteries, and they actually provide you with a charger, which is really simple to use. Simply lock it in place, charge it up, and you're ready to go. They do provide you with this as well, some little fingerless gloves with some grippers. They're kind of a one-size-fits-all on those because they are very flexible if you're wanting to use those. And they also send you with all the tools you need and 3 separate blades to get you started. They do send you with this one here for cutting metal. You got that one for cutting ceramic or glass. And you've got my personal favorite here, which is just a little wood cutting blade that is on there. Now on this, they do have the ability to have the guard drop down on there as well. Very quiet. And because it's battery operation, as you're moving it, when you let off of it, it just immediately stops. It doesn't continue to spin, which is really nice. And they do provide you with the tools that you can use to change out those blades on there as well. So just to kind of give you an idea of how this thing works, you can, like on any other tool, you can loosen this up and adjust the angle. You can also adjust the angle here as well if you're just wanting to cut straight across. Let's just see how this does. I mean, that's a clean cut. That was a pretty thick board for a battery operated tool. Cut it really nice, and it was extremely quiet. So I have no doubt the other blades would function just as well. This would make a great addition to anybody's workbench, and thank you guys again for sending it.